Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can buy stocks on your Etoro. Simply first log into your Etoro account from going to Google browser and search for Etoro.com. And after searching Etoro.com, you'll be on the home page after you have logged into your account. From here, go on to the Discover, which is on the left hand side of the screen. Then after going on to Discover, you'll be on the different screen or different page of Etoro. And once you're at Discover, you'll be able to see below the search box the option for stocks and crypto and EFTs as well. Now simply go on to stocks, and from here you'll be able to see all the stocks that is available to trade on Etoro. If you're not finding the stocks that you're interested in, you can simply search for it on this search box as well. Now go on to the type of stock you want to buy or sell, and after that it will take you to this kind of screen. From here click on trade and you'll be able to buy or sell the stocks that you want. This is for this video, and that's how you can buy stocks on Etoro. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.